Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to slow walk on PC on Roblox. So if you want to slow walk in Roblox on a PC, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But for this method, there's only one way to slow walk on a PC, and that's actually to use a controller. So you'd either need to use a PS4 controller or an Xbox controller. Either of those work. But if you don't have it, I wasn't able to find a way that you could slow walk without it. But if you have a method, leave it in the comment section below. But as you can see, if I take my controller right here, and then if I wanted to slow walk, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is walk. Like you just have to walk slowly, and then you'll be able to slow walk like this, as you can see here. If you just don't tilt the Joy-Con all the way forward, otherwise you'll go full speed. If you just tilt it a little bit, then it will start slow walking, as you can see here. I'm going slower than you would normally would if you had just a normal WASD or something like that. So as you can see, that is how you slow walk on Roblox. You do need a controller for that method, but that's the only way I could find out how you could slow walk on Roblox. But I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you guys next time.